Welcome back to our kitchen, and today we craved for some carbonara. Since we have some garlic and then this spam in our refrigerator, naisip kong, why don't we make our own version of carbonara? Ayan, muntik pa malaglag from the chopping board. Siyempre, kinuha ko na lang yung ibang ham and then I chopped it in cubes. And then I chopped some garlic. Of course, we have our butter. And then we got also one fresh egg para i-mix natin. Yan yung Italian version of carbonara. We're not using any cream, but with butter and fresh egg, we can have our own carbonara sauce. And of course, we have cheese. This is that's our cream cheese. Galing pa yung Malolos. We just took some and then here it is. So we'll use it for our carbonara. We chopped it also to cubes since mabilis din namang mag-melt ang cream cheese. Set it aside. And of course, butter. Cut lang din tayo. Tapos, of course, one egg. Kailangan natin mag-boil ang ating pasta. Of course, we want our noodles to be al dente. So, ang technique natin dyan, kung sa packaging niya nakalagay 8 minutes or 10 minutes yung boiling, i-reduce natin ng mga at least a minute para medyo bitin. And then yung last minute niya, may additional pa yun, magkukook pa siya. So this time it's al dente. And drain it. This time we can drain na yung ating pasta dun from the water. Al dente pa siya. And then, since gagawa pa tayo ng sauce natin, i-set aside muna natin. But then, I thought of why not we mix the sauce directly here sa noodles natin. So I'm just leaving some water para yun yung additional natin na sauce. There we go. And then let's prepare na yung carbonara natin. So binalik natin sa fire yung ating noodles pero low fire na natin. Nakita nyo mag-steam siya. So maluluto pa ulit yan. And from here, we put some olive oil. Yan ang ating magiging base ng ating sauce. And then, stir lang natin ng konti. There we go. You can see na just mix it well para hindi rin magdikit-dikit yung ating noodles. Ayan. And while it's hot, we add na rin, let's add some butter. Ayan. Yung ating slice na butter kanina. There you go. It will add also another flavor to our carbonara. Mix it well para mag-melt yung butter. And from here, we can add yung garlic. As you can notice, hindi natin frinay yung ating garlic. So, because I want it fresh. Yan. Para masarap din siya. Iba din yung flavor kapag fresh garlic yung makakain natin than the fried garlic. Mix it together. Yeah. I can smell now yung butter together with the garlic. Yummy. As you noticed, hindi rin natin pre-cooked yung ham natin. Hindi din natin siya na-fry or anything. Since medyo pre-cooked na rin yung ham, okay na rin siya if you mixed it directly dun sa ating sauce. And it will get cooked on its own. This is a very simple pasta sauce. You can cook it anytime. Kaning merienda or a meal already. And lastly, ang malapit, ang ating cream cheese. I really want my pasta really hot when I eat it. Kasi dun mo mas malalasahan yung flavor than pag malamig na siya. Same with mga Italians, they really want their pasta hot. Pagka lumamig na yung pasta, parang they consider it as salad. Maninikit yung ilalim niya. And voila, nag-melt na yung cream cheese. And then, lastly, yung egg. So, fast lang ito. Ito yung fresh eggs natin. Fresh egg. Last minute, ito-drop natin siya. So, siya yung mag-a-add na extra sauce. Actually, you can add some either oil or konting water para mas smooth yung sauce sa ilalim kasi nag-dry na siya. Lagyan natin konting water. Sayang naman yung cream cheese sa ilalim. Actually, I can turn it off. And then lastly, let's drop the egg. Tapos, I have to mix it as in. And you have to serve this right away. Kasi, hindi. Alam, pag lumamig siya, hindi na siya ganun kasarap. There we go. Tsaka natin adjust ng salt. Yan. Or carbonara. There we go. Diba? You can sprinkle some greens if you want. Masarap. Kulang tayo ng some greens from our urban garden. This is Italian oregano. Italian oregano kasi maliit lang. Perfect for garnishing. Oh, there we go. Carbonara. Let's try it. Creamy na. I think don't need to add any salt or pepper, but if you want yung very flavorful, pwede lang. For me, okay na to. Yummy.